Dr. Angela Cherniawski, Blanc Chiropractic, demonstrating an adjustment of a toddler. This is Luke. Starting down at his feet, assessing the length of the legs, checking for flexibility, checking for motion in the pelvis and the sacrum. Adjusting the hips and the pelvis. Everything's very gentle for a baby and a toddler. Feeling the rest of the spine. I can use my activator instrument, very gentle. Places that I feel tight, misaligned. I often like to click a few spots in the feet. Lay on your back. And for the neck, I'll try and be in an angle so that you can see. But the neck is very, very gentle with the toddler, a baby. Motioning the neck. This also feels really good. Pausing if I find a tight area in the neck to work that area a little bit more. Go ahead and sit up. Lastly, I can check their ears as well. Really good if there are any ear-related problems. Dr. Angela Cherniawski, Blanc Chiropractic.